Hello and welcome to the forecast for the week from the Met Office. Now, if we hadn't just had the warmest early May bank holiday on record, then this week's weather would look okay, largely dry, bright with some warm sunshine, especially over the next couple of days. But of course, we have just had a very warm and very sunny weekend. So compared to that, it will be somewhat cooler and somewhat cloudier. Let's run through the sequence of the whole week, actually, and you can see that we're actually looking out to the Atlantic, and weather fronts will be coming in at times, bringing bands of cloud and rain. But there's big gaps between the weather fronts, so as I said, there will be some sunshine around. And these weather fronts, as they come up towards the UK, are tending to weaken and fizzle out. This one may just linger as we go into the weekend and give us one or two problems then. But that's a few days away. Let's come back to Wednesday's detail, and the first of those weather fronts bringing cloud and rain into Northern Ireland and western Scotland during the day. But elsewhere, as you can see, there'll be a fair bit of sunshine, just steadily clouding over across western parts of England and Wales in the afternoon. It's going to be a fine day, by and large, but again, we have to compare the temperatures to what we saw at the weekend. So although 19, 20, maybe 21 is possible in the southeast, that's still pretty warm for the time of year. It is quite a bit cooler than it was through the weekend. And of course, in the west, with the cloud and the winds, just 10 or 11 Celsius, that really will feel quite chilly. Now, that weather front moves its way slowly but surely across the country during Wednesday night into Thursday before fizzling out. And then we have a gap between weather fronts for Thursday and just a bump in the isobars. A little ridge of high pressure means certainly across the south, many places will be, again, dry and bright. But there will be some scattered showers across the northern half of the UK, and a brisk wind picking up in the far northwest at times. Overall then, temperatures around about average for the time of year, feeling pleasant enough in the sunny spells, but cooler when the showers come along in western Scotland. And by the time we get to Friday, we've got another one of those weather fronts just pushing in, the isobars squidging together as a result. So the winds getting stronger once more on Friday, coming up from the southwest and bringing in this weather front, this band of cloud and rain across Northern Ireland, western Scotland. Again, ahead of that, many places will have a fine and bright day with sunny spells for most of the day across eastern England, just steadily clouding over with some rain later in the west. And again, that rain pegging back the temperatures 10 or 11 Celsius, whereas in the east with some sunshine, we could again see temperatures in the high teens. So those southerly winds picking up, getting quite blustery at times around western coasts. Now, that weather front is the one that kind of fizzles out as we get into the weekend, and there's some uncertainty, therefore, about the position of it. And of course, the position of it makes all the difference for Saturday. So it could be a little further east, it could be further west, it could really be weakening. But there will be some showery rain on that weather front. But as I say, the position is vital. A few days off, so we'll firm up on the details for the weekend over the next few days. But certainly this weekend looks a lot cooler than the weekend just gone, and there will be showers around, and just the possibility that those showers could turn quite heavy in places on Sunday. But again, this is a few days off, so stay tuned to the forecast. And of course, you can stay up to date day by day by visiting the Met Office website or downloading our app.